Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making super tasty, crispy, savory and healthy veggie waffles. Perfect for everyone in the family, from the little ones to the grown-ups. They're easy and quick to make. Let's get started. Let's quickly check out what we need for our tasty waffles. We've got oat flour for a healthy start, a gluten-free base, and a mix of vibrant veggies like carrots and radishes, all finely prepped. Feel free to use any veggies of your choice. Greek yogurt and a splash of water for smooth batter. For a flavor boost, we have onions, scallions, optional jalapenos for heat, and fresh cilantro. We'll season simply with salt and pepper, adding more spices as we go. That's our setup. Quick and delicious. Let's start waffling. Let's get started with the ingredients. You'll need oat flour as our base, which makes these waffles gluten-free. Now add in finely grated veggies so they mix easily in the batter. Feel free to use your favorites. Today I'm using carrots and pink radish. For that rich, savory flavor, we'll add finely diced onions, some chopped scallions, a little heat with jalapenos or green chili, but that's entirely optional, and finely chopped cilantro. To bind everything together and add some creaminess, we're adding Greek yogurt. Feel free to use any plant-based yogurt of your choice. Now the spices that bring our waffles to life. We need salt, black pepper, a touch of turmeric, a great anti-inflammatory spice and an antioxidant, cumin powder, carom seed powder for a bit of bite, and dry mango powder for a tangy kick. Finally, a quarter teaspoon of baking powder to make our waffles fluffy and light. Give everything a good mix to combine all the flavors. Then slowly add some water to get the consistency just right. Give it another stir and set it aside. Let it rest for about 10 minutes. You can even prepare this batter ahead of time. It stays fresh in the refrigerator for about 3 days, making it a fantastic option for weekly meal prep. Now, heat up your waffle iron and grease it lightly with some olive oil. Pour in the batter, spread it evenly and close the lid. Cook each waffle for about 4 minutes or until it's golden and crispy. Look at that waffle! Go ahead and remove it from the iron. Now just repeat these steps to make more delicious waffles. Let's keep going. Serve these yummy waffles with a side of mint chutney or creamy avocado mint sauce for a refreshing touch. And if you are making this a meal, pair it with a smoothie or some fresh fruits and yogurt. This dish is packed with nutrients and flavors, which makes for a quick, easy, and a great way to start your day. Enjoy your meal, and remember, as you can see, eating healthy can definitely be eating tasty.